Hello to all my fellow numismatic coin collectors out there. This is Numismatic King with another numismatic rant video. So here we see our influence on Mother Nature. There's a squirrel right there eating some thrown away food from Burger King. There it is. And we've influenced nature. In a way, we've influenced it and made it even more convenient for animals because they no longer have to go looking for nuts and all this kind of stuff. We humans just put food in there for them to eat. In another way, we've influenced it in a negative way because these animals are starting to rely too much on human interference. So if this Burger King ever shuts down and there goes that trash can, this squirrel right here no longer wants to look for acorns after it's had a little taste of the BK. That grilled Whopper, flame boiled BK. Savory goodness right there. Kind of enjoying it. So let me guys know what you guys think in the comment section below. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Numismatic King with another nature rant video. This is going to be a new series. Nature rant videos. Weather's warming up. And going to be heading out into nature more often. Numismatic King, signing out.